I had one of my diamond level students ask me this question.
Noelle, what would you do if you lost it all today? If your bank account hit zero and you had to start from scratch in 2026?
Most people would panic. Most people would feel behind, but I would be excited because starting from zero is your greatest advantage. Why? Because when you have nothing, you also have nothing to lose. You can take the risk, you can make the moves, and you can build a foundation that is 10 times stronger than the one you had before. I've been there. You know it. I was broke, bankrupt, and living in my parents' basement. Today, I'm a multimillionaire. And I'm telling you, it wasn't about luck, it was about a plan. Today, I'm going to give you my exact month by month blueprint to go from zero to an empire in just 1 year. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. This video is sponsored by creativecreditsolutions.net. They are my friends to help you with personal credit. If you have bad personal credit, they will give you a free consultation and they can help you. They help Noelle and they may be able to help you too, but more on that later. So let's get right into this. The first thing that you are going to do in month one is get clarity. You cannot fix what you don't measure, so you need clarity. I remember when I was broke, I was keeping my head in the sand. I didn't know how much I owed. I didn't know how much money I made. But the moment I wrote it down was the moment when I faced the reality of a negative $10,000 a month. And that's the moment I took my power back. Let me give you the equation. The surplus is your wealth building power. Let me explain. If you have $1 million, but you spend $1 million, you're still broke. We need to widen the gap. We do this so that you can buy assets and kill liabilities. So when I was broke, bankrupt, and living in my parents' basement, I needed to fix some things. One of those things may be your personal credit. So if you currently have bad personal credit, you need credit restoration. Click the link in the description box to Creative Credit Solutions and have your free consultation. They will give you a free consultation and do an assessment on your current financial situation, not just your credit score. It's absolutely free, and they can help you get into a position where you literally can start paying lower interest, paying lower amounts on your credit cards, paying lower amounts on your car notes, getting rid of debt, getting things eliminated off your credit. There are so many things that you can do with your credit that will put you in a position where you can actually hustle up some money to buy discounted assets. This will also help you increase your income, which is what I'm going to talk to you about in just a second. But use the link, call them today. This is free and it won't last for long. Like I was saying, you have to face your numbers. And in order to face your numbers, you have to know what they are. So I need you to write down what your expenses are and what your income is. We are going to reduce the expenses and we're going to increase the income. Let me tell you how. Let's talk about hustling up your first $1,000. We're still in month one and we're going to do a sprint, a 10-day focus period where we cut everything that is non-essential. No more DoorDash, no more Uber Eats, no more Starbucks, no more random subscriptions. Again, this is not going to be your lifestyle. Noelle always believes in a big life, but in order to get to your big life, you got to cut out the small stuff. I once did a 10-day silent meditation retreat where I couldn't even talk to other people. If I can go 10 days without talking, you can go 10 days without eating out. Again, we are hustling up your first $1,000 because we're going to employ that into making more money. We're going to use that money to run ads, to do marketing, to do things that's actually going to bring you in profit. Remember, we are hustling up that first $1,000. This isn't about being cheap. I hate being cheap and living a small life. It's about the reset. This first $1,000 gets you out of survival mode and gives you that first win that you need to feel like a winner. Now let's get into months 2 through 5, where you are going to actually sell your value, not your time. Most people can't get ahead because they love trading their time for money, like working a job. That's not what I'm talking about. We're going to sell your value. Let me explain. Now that we have a little bit of breathing room, the next 3 months are going to be about earning. You need to find the most valuable skill that you have and sell it at the highest possible rate. Like I said, this original thought of how I would hustle up and start over from zero started from one of my diamond students. That's my highest level student. They paid me $30,000, $40,000 to work with me for a year. And these are the people that actually think a little bit different. And this is how I'm able to bring a lot of value to people because they're able to work with me one-on-one. And usually we partner in businesses as well. So this takes my net worth to that next level as well. And then not only do they have their business credit and what they're doing in their business, we leverage that with mine as well. It explodes. We bring value. I'm not trading time for money. But let's talk about how you can do this too, because there is a sweet spot for everyone. So let's look at the sweet spot and look at the intersection of three things. One, what you're good at. Two, what you love. And three, what people will pay big money for. When you're first getting started, a lot of people think that they should sell something that is really cheap to a lot of people. But I'm going to tell you, it's the exact opposite. When you first get started, you actually sell something at a really high price to a few people. So when I first started my coaching business, I would only have 10 students max, 10, period, point blank, because I didn't have any other coaches and it was just me. And to get into my coaching program, it was at least $30,000. But as I've grown, I've actually been able to make it a little bit more affordable because my lower level coaching programs, I have other coaches in, and then my higher level ones that are with me, I charge a higher premium for. But when you first get started, you can start with the same prices that I have right now for your skill set. People want to know how to flip houses. They will pay me $30,000 to flip a house, even when I didn't have the big YouTube channel and all of that. You have this same thing available to you. You have a sweet spot with that intersection. Think about those three things that I just taught you, write it down, and let's talk about how we're going to get to that next level. But let me give you Noelle's pro tip. This is going to be a big secret that I'm giving just to you on this. Don't just pick one skill, combine them. I knew I was good at explaining real estate and flipping houses, and I was also good at encouraging people. I combined them into two to coach and teach real estate, but also coach them, be a supportive person, be someone that's positive, be a helping hand where they can tell me sometimes if they were having a bad day, I could be a support system instead of them relying on their family members who didn't support them and didn't help them. So not only did I have the knowledge, I also had the personality and the work ethic from working in corporate America to encourage people. So combine two skills together, and that is even more valuable. So whether it's photography, coding, or real estate, find that high income skill and get obsessed with it. This is how we widen the gap between your income and your expenses. Now let's talk about months 6 through 10. This is where we grow our wealth. This is where we go from rich to wealthy. This is where we go from making a lot of money to actually becoming wealthy because we have a security wall. Let me explain. In these months is where you're going to build your safety net. We are spending the next 5 months saving a full 6-month emergency fund. Here's my warning. You're not going to invest in other people's businesses yet. I don't care what the other gurus say. This money needs to be in a high yield savings account where it won't fluctuate with the market. Once you have 6 months of living expenses stashed away, your brain changes. You stop thinking month to month and you start thinking decade to decade. You move from survival to strategy. Then finally, in months 11 through 12, this is when we're going to put our foot on the gas and accelerate to that next level. So now we're in the home stretch. In month 11, we are investing, but not in stocks. We are investing in you. Invest in you. $1,000 in the stock market right now might get you 10% back. Big deal. But $1,000 into a certification or into a high level mastermind that helps you earn an extra $20,000 a year, that's a 2,000% return. Then finally, in month 12, we start buying assets, discounted assets, or if you don't know how to do that, just invest in an index fund. We take the massive surplus that we've built and we put it to work. Imagine getting your first $20 or $100 in dividends, money you didn't have to work for, or money from your rental property coming in. Again, this is the wealth accelerator, passive income. This is the feeling of your empire starting to breathe on its own. Many people say that they can't invest in real estate because they have bad personal credit. Again, I have the solution. Use the link in the description box to my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net. They do credit restoration, not credit repair, and they literally helped Noelle Randall many years ago, and they've helped thousands of other people since. It's an absolutely free consultation, and good personal credit will definitely take you to the next level with good business credit. In fact, once you have good personal credit, you can easily get good business credit and take this thing to the whole next level. You can do this year. This is the best year to do it. Start your year today. If you follow this plan in 12 months, you won't even recognize your bank account. You'll have a foundation, you'll have skills, and you'll have assets. But it all starts with a decision. So here's your homework. If you have bad credit, call my friends at Creative Credit Solutions. Number two, get this book, Making It. This is a book of 10 entrepreneurs. Each one wrote their own chapter of their real story, of their real struggle, and how they succeeded. This book is absolutely free. You just cover the shipping at makingitbook.com. In fact, the owner of Creative Credit Solutions, my friend Justin Mirche, is one of the authors in this book. Again, you get this book absolutely free at makingitbook.com. And last but not least, subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of this free coaching and teaching and all of these amazing lessons that I'm bringing to you 3, 4, 5 times a week. I am here to coach you because I used to be bankrupt, broke, and living in my parents' basement. And today I'm a multimillionaire that wants to help you. I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.
Let's fix that.